seasoning. Oh, sorry, jollof seasoning. Hey, na be that one. So I add small cover. So guys, if you don't say don't watch this video, reach share. It means say you dey enjoy my video, but you never follow, you never like, you never leave comment. You never even share. Kilo day, what is going on? Oh yeah, na papa, mama, auntie, uncle. Kilo day. Follow this page. As you do, may God highly bless you. And so my returning followers, I say may God bless you all. As soon as they support una get. Look at our toasting. Toasty a bit toasted. My people beg anyone jare. The mate be say they our jollof rice sweet. And I don't know the way to be different. Look at it. Now don't put butter, put onions. Use and take turner. Look at the aroma. Look at the smoke. The rice is smoking already. It's toasting already. Bandan, you too much. Look at it, guys. So thank you guys for joining and see you all in my next video. Una bye for now.